Is distilled water the purest form of water? Have you ever wondered if distilled water is the purest form of water? This question is especially important for hikers and mountaineers who are relying on clean water during their adventures. Let's break it down. Distilled water is often seen as one of the purest types of water available. The process of distillation involves boiling water to create steam. When the steam cools, it turns back into liquid water. During this process, most impurities like bacteria, viruses, chemicals, and heavy metals are left behind. This results in water that is nearly free from contaminants. Typically, distilled water has a very low total dissolved solids level, often between 1 to 5 parts per million. However, while distilled water is extremely pure, it is not the absolute purest form of water. There is something called ultrapure water, which goes through even more purification steps. This includes methods like reverse osmosis, deionization, carbon filtration, and ultraviolet light treatment. Ultrapure water is nearly all H2O molecules, with virtually no other substances. While this level of purity is great for scientific and industrial uses, it is not safe for drinking. It lacks essential minerals and can be chemically aggressive. For hikers, distilled water is more relevant than ultrapure water because it is safe to drink. It is free from harmful pathogens and chemicals that can be found in natural water sources. When you are hiking or mountaineering, having access to clean water is vital for your health and safety. Distilled water's purity means it does not contain bacteria or protozoa like Giardia, which can be common in wilderness water sources. On the downside, distilled water does not have the natural minerals that are found in spring or mineral water. Minerals like calcium and magnesium are beneficial for hydration and maintaining electrolyte balance during physical activities. In practical terms, hikers typically do not carry distilled water with them. Instead, they use various water purification techniques. These include boiling water, using filters, chemical treatments, or portable purification devices to make natural water sources safe to drink. These methods aim to remove pathogens and contaminants while often keeping some beneficial minerals. Distillation is not practical for hikers because it requires special equipment and energy to boil and condense water. Therefore, while distilled water is extremely pure and safe to drink, it is not the most practical choice for hikers. In summary, distilled water is one of the purest forms of drinkable water, but it is not the absolute purest. Its use in hiking contexts is limited by practicality, but knowing about its purity can help you make informed choices about water safety and purification during your outdoor adventures.